welcome back to my channel, All Things Travel by Julie, where I travel around the world and give you tips and tricks. If you haven't checked out my channel yet, please be sure to do so and subscribe to my channel. And if you get anything out of this video, please be sure to like this video. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different episode. As you can see, I'm sitting next to a giant box, and this is no ordinary box. This is my Away box. Last week I ordered the Away luggage, and finally today it came in the mail, and I'm so excited that it came today, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get right to it and start opening the box. Alright, let's open up this giant package and find out what the buzz is all about. Oh, and I do like the packaging. It says open the world right here. Oh, and we have another message. Start here, go everywhere. The more you travel, the more stories you and your suitcase will have to tell. That's true, isn't it? And we have yet another message. Now lift the handles and get going. I really like their marketing. This is pretty nice. I like it. It's really cute, actually. Alright, I'm going to get this giant luggage out of this box. As you can see, it comes in a duffel bag, which is amazing. I don't think I ever had a luggage that came in a duffel bag, but that's perfect for when you're not traveling. You can just store your luggage inside the bag so it doesn't collect dust, and put it in your closet and be done with it. I love it a lot. Alright, this beautiful duffel bag has, of course, the Away tag on it. But I'm so excited to see what it really looks like. The pictures online were really nice, but of course you can never tell until you have it in person. Ooh, look at this beauty! It's so beautiful! Oh my goodness. Listen to this. Woo. So I chose the aluminum suitcase. They do have plastic suitcases as well that are made with high premium quality, but I decided to go with the aluminum personally because I feel like I'm going to get a lot more use out of this, and it's going to last me a little bit longer, and it is going to be a little bit more sturdy. So that's why I decided to go with the aluminum. So they do make the aluminum case in two sizes, the medium and the large, but I decided to go with the large because I travel quite often, and when I do travel, it's usually 5 to 7 days at the minimum, so I do need to pack a lot more clothes. This particular one weighs 16 pounds and it fits 95 liters, so I think I'll have plenty of space for all my belongings. The large does come in 3 different color choices. You have the rose gold, the black, and the silver. And I chose the silver, as you can see, because I feel like it's just a little bit more classic and timeless. If you do decide to go with the medium-sized luggage, they do only come in 2 colors, which is the black and the silver. But I think either way, you can't go wrong. It's just a personal preference. So let's check out this beauty in a little bit more detail. We have 2 handles. One is on top, and then the other one is on the side. I really like the soft close feature on these handles. That's quite neat. And check this out, Away printed in. And then you have these corner edges that give you extra protection. You have your plastic stoppers, so when you lay it down, you don't scratch up your luggage. And check out these locks. They are actually TSA approved, so you don't have to worry about anything when you're at the airport. By default, the lock combination is 000, but of course I'll change that once I'm all settled. But then all you have to do is press the buttons, and that opens the luggage. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. So this, the bottom part, you see we have the compression department. So you have these latches which are very easily opened. As you can see, I can do it with one hand, so no problem at all. So you put your clothes right here, and then you can kind of compress it, which is quite neat. This bag right here, you can't detach the bag, but there is a bag inside which you can detach. So let me just get this out for you guys. And this can be your laundry bag or shoe bag, or really anything that you want it to be. But it's definitely can come in handy. I really like this additional bag here. And you see they have Away printed everywhere, so they really want to make sure that you know that you are traveling with Away. They really are trying to maximize every space. So on top of the compression department, this you have a zipper, so it gives you additional space where you can store loose items. So really trying to maximize all the space. The other side is not a compression department, however, we have another zipper with 2 compartments, again for smaller loose items that you want to pack. It does come with a leather luggage tag, so that's included with every Away luggage. And then to get to the other side of, or the other half of your suitcase, all you do is lift up these latches, and that gives you all the space for all your clothing. So you can see how spacious this luggage is, lots of space in here. And again, they're trying to maximize all the space available. So the last thing that we have to do is take this luggage and see how well it spins. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, it spins around without me even doing much to it. So it feels very smooth. You better hold on to it when you're at the airport, so I think it's gonna just run away from you. So hold on tight. As you can see, the 360-degree spinner wheels are turning without a problem, so I think I'll be just fine at the airport, and I can't wait to take it. So guys, overall, I think this is an amazing luggage, and I think it's worth the investment that I made because it is not inexpensive. It did cost me roughly $645 plus tax in the US, but I can't wait to take it on my next trip. And if you got anything out of this video, please be sure to like the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.